Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quark Automotive. Today we have the 2017 Cadillac XT5 Luxury Trim. So that's what's rolling around. I felt stuff rolling around back here. I'm like, what is that? It's your cargo tray and divider, all your floor mats. Really nice vehicle, honestly. Sitting behind myself, plenty of room, very nice panoramic sunroof. Well, that's nice. That has one of those covers so nothing, falls down underneath there. So this has the 3.6 liter GM V6 under the hood, automatic of course. Crystal white tri-coat is the color name for this one, and it is a pretty color. That was my water bottle. The door's not broken. Perfect. Come on. Alright, so here's the original window sticker. This one came to $52,830. So crystal white tri-coat, Sahara beige over jet black, 8-speed automatic. If I'm not mistaken, this is based on the same platform as the Blazer and Acadia. So that's the Q media control, that's an option. The Bose stereo system, crystal white tri-coat was an option, LED headlamps. So yeah, pretty well optioned model. What's nice is, like, the home button here isn't touch sensitive, but these, like the heated seats, off, turning climate on, everything down here has, you push in and you can feel when it's accepted. Like the home button, stuff like that, you don't really touch too often, but the climate controls and stuff, you want to know if it accepted your response or your input without having to look down. We're going to be driving this in two main modes today. Well, one mode, sport mode, but I'll do it in drive as well as manual because you do have some paddle shifters right behind the wheel here. We'll start off in drive. Really nice, refined experience. It sets itself apart from the Blazer and the Acadia. Really nice feeling materials in here too. Oh wow, that's really nice. It's nice soft touch. Don't hear any creases, creaks, rattles. Oh, that's a phone charger right in there. great amount of thrust to it too. On the highway, really quiet. Sorry, I have an itch under the hat. Ooh. Go into tour mode. Steering gets a little bit lighter. Throttle's response is a little bit lessened. And if you're going to damage the car by shifting, or if the RPMs are too low, it will just deny. It will come up and say shift denied. So it recognizes that you clicked the paddle, that you want to shift, but it's not going to let you. The only way to shift is with the steering wheel mounted paddles. What's nice is manual is manual. While it will auto upshift for you, it's not going to downshift. See, I'm floored right now in 4th gear. Most cars would downshift. This one says, nope, you want 4th gear, you get 4th gear. I'm a huge fan of the Blazer, Acadia, and the XT5 platform. Driven them a bunch, and I've loved it every time. The GM 3.6 has been around for ages. Pretty bulletproof powertrain. It actually handles really well. It's a lot of fun to drive. I've found that with the Blazer as well. They're a ton of fun. This one is a little bit more luxury focused than the Blazer and Acadia, but it's still just as fun to drive. Visibility, phenomenal, even for the segment with these mid-size SUVs. Rides perfect over the bumps. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.